Hi everyone! In this video, we'll learn how to create and customize boards and workflows in Businessmap. Let's start by creating a new board. Click the Add New Board icon inside a Team Workspace. This way, you can create a board for all your team's daily processes and projects or initiatives. Once you create the board, you will see two default workflows inside of it, Initiatives and Cards workflow. Both workflows have the main to-do, doing, done stages that a task or a project goes through. They can be easily collapsed if you'd like to focus just on one of them. You can think of the Cards workflow as the area where your team works on daily tasks and business as usual. The Initiatives workflow, on the other hand, contains larger items called initiatives, where teams can visualize projects or epics they're working on and break them down into more measurable tasks. We'll go into more detail about initiatives in a separate video. By default, each workflow comes with a few core stages. Requested: this is the place where you prioritize and commit to working on tasks or projects. In progress: this is the area where your team is working on a project or a task. And done: this is the area where your team can store completed work. This structure helps teams visualize their processes from start to finish. Keep in mind that Businessmap automatically generates workflow data from all your work items, such as how much they stayed in progress, what is their full lead time, etc. And don't worry, all names, columns, and stages across your workflows can be easily customized to fit your unique process. To the left of the main workflow, you will also find the Backlog area, where you store and plan tasks or ideas that may or may not be executed. Meanwhile, to the right, you will see a Ready to Archive stage for work items that have been completed for some time. Archived cards don't disappear. They stay in the system and can be found via the search function or through the Analytics panel. Now let's move on to how you edit a workflow. Click Edit Workflows. Here, you can rename workflows. Add or rename columns. Add subcolumns. For example, under Invalidation, you could have Testing in Progress and Ready for Review. Add swim lanes to organize different types of work. Add new workflows to your board so you can retain full flexibility to visualize different work in a single place. There are three main types of workflows. Card workflows for day-to-day tasks. Initiatives workflows allow you to visualize how your bigger work items, projects, or epics move across the workflow in different stages. Timeline workflows to visualize projects and goals on a calendar view. You can also copy existing workflows from other boards. For example, let's now add a timeline workflow. This is perfect for setting up a roadmap view of your team's initiatives. You can separate your timeline into swim lanes and use the settings to limit how much work in parallel you can have on the timeline. For even greater flexibility and board visibility, you can rearrange workflows by dragging them in the desired order. Once you click Save, your board will reflect all the changes made. Now you have visualized multiple workflows on a single board. Keep in mind that Businessmap allows you to customize the board according to how you manage work: Kanban, Scrum, Scrumban, or a traditional approach. Don't hesitate to contact us for support, and we will see you in the next video, where we will go into more details about creating cards, projects, and initiatives.